hotel building. Live here in Harlem, USA. Harlem. And then you know this iconic government building here. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I saw, and I'm sticking to it. Have a McDonald's over there.
Now she's outside. Olivia's outside. I'm sorry. Olivia's
Parade going on.
You like that right there? Make some noise if you like that right there. I'm your host, Peter Wayne. All I need is some water. Put some water in my system. I can go all
Okay.
day. Water, the bi-state coalition to an authority.
And the Apollo is that direction.
In 1998. That's a good year.
Okay, I'll be back. So this is what I saw. This is what I'm seeing. I needed to travel. I traveled to this location. And yep, I'll be back. 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 Yeah. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. I need to travel now. I travel.
DJ, mix the people please on the 1 to 2. Yes, show. To the big Joe.